In the fast-evolving world of cryptocurrency, recent weeks have seen a surge in the value of AI-based tokens, including the likes of GRT, NEAR, and AGIX. This surge has captured the attention of crypto enthusiasts worldwide, as these tokens experience remarkable price increases. At the forefront of this surge is the introduction of Sora, which has showcased significant advancements in artificial intelligence. This introduction has not only boosted the value of Sora, but has also had a ripple effect, propelling the prices of other AI tokens to new heights. The current price surge reflects the prevailing optimism in the broader crypto market. This optimism is fueled in part by the anticipation of Bitcoin's impending halving and the expectation of an Ethereum exchange-traded fund, ETF, both of which are seen as positive developments for the crypto space. As the market continues to evolve, these tokens are likely to remain a focal point for investors looking to capitalize on the potential of AI technology. The surge in interest in AI-related tokens began in early 2023, coinciding with the rising popularity of ChatGPT and image generation software. However, this trend started to wane in recent months as the initial hype subsided. The launch of Sora on Friday appears to have reignited interest in these tokens. AI is proving to be the most disruptive technological invention of our age, said Token3 developer B in a Telegram message to CoinDesk. They reference data from PwC, which predicts that AI could contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, surpassing the current combined output of China and India. This prediction underscores the significant potential of AI and its impact on the economy. The resurgence in interest in AI-related tokens following Sora's launch suggests that the market recognizes the transformative power of AI and its potential for growth in various sectors. This recent surge sparked by the showcase of Sora has created a significant buzz in the cryptocurrency market. Tokens like SingularityNet, AGIX, and Fetch.ai FET have experienced explosive growth, with Fetch.ai surging by 94% and SingularityNet by 136% over the past fortnight. Let's talk about Fetch.ai first. Fetch.ai's impressive performance has propelled it to a fresh all-time high of $1.16, securing its position as the 74th largest cryptocurrency with a market cap of $1.1 billion. Despite a slight pullback to $1.07, there is optimism that it could continue its upward trajectory. To sustain its momentum, Fetch.ai must overcome the $1.16 resistance level, with potential resistance at $1.35, $1.44, $1.50, and $1.57, according to Fibonacci extensions. On the downside, support levels are at $1.91, 75 cents, 70 cents, and 60 cents. Similarly, SingularityNet has reached a two-year high of 72 cents, marking a remarkable 136% increase in value. Breaking through the 73 cents and 75 cents levels could open up further gains, with resistance at 80 cents, 85 cents, 90 cents, and 92.7 cents. Support levels are at 70 cents, 65 cents, 61 cents, and 55 cents. The resurgence of interest in AI-related tokens underscores the growing recognition of artificial intelligence's potential to revolutionize various industries. Investors are increasingly drawn to these tokens, viewing them as a promising investment opportunity amidst the broader crypto market.
It's worth billions. Now, so are you. It's all under your dummy holdings?
The recent price surges in Fetch.ai and SingularityNet are indicative of the positive sentiment prevailing in the crypto market, driven in part by anticipation of Bitcoin's halving and the potential introduction of an Ethereum ETF. Looking beyond AGIX, another coin that may be of interest is WorldCoin WLD. While not strictly an AI-focused cryptocurrency, WorldCoin has strong ties to the world of artificial intelligence. Its parent company was founded by Sam Altman, the well-known CEO of OpenAI. Additionally, WorldCoin offers World ID, a unique identity verification tool that could play a crucial role in distinguishing between human and machine interactions in the post-AI era. WorldCoin has seen significant growth in its community, with its crypto wallet app recently reaching a milestone of 1 million daily users. With its strong ties to AI and a dedicated team, WorldCoin has the potential to continue its upward trend. However, it's important to note that, like any project, WorldCoin has its challenges and potential drawbacks. Another coin of interest is Ocean Protocol, which occupies a unique space at the intersection of blockchain, data, and AI. The project aims to facilitate secure data sharing and commercialization through innovative tools and services. Ocean Protocol has introduced several groundbreaking technologies, including token engineering and data tokens. The development team behind Ocean boasts extensive experience in AI, big data, and blockchain. During the AI crypto rally, Ocean has surged by 50%, showcasing strong potential. It is regarded as one of the most promising AI-focused cryptocurrencies, given its innovative approach and experienced team. In conclusion, OpenAi's Sora has significantly impacted the crypto market, particularly in the AI industry, with tokens like AGIX experiencing substantial price surges. This highlights the increasing influence of artificial intelligence on the cryptocurrency space, attracting investors and enthusiasts alike. The positive sentiment surrounding AGIX and other AI-related tokens is further fueled by developments such as Bitcoin's halving and the potential introduction of an Ethereum ETF. As the AI industry continues to evolve, these tokens are likely to remain at the forefront of innovation, offering unique investment opportunities for those looking to capitalize on the transformative potential of AI technology. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get the latest updates.